Disclaimer: be advised that I'm not a professional trader or advisor. I am sharing my trading journey for entertainment purpose only. Any opinions, news, research, analysis, price, or other information contained in this video is my own opinion and does not constitute investment advice. I will not accept liability for any loss or damage, including, without limitation to, any loss of profit, money, asset, or any valuables which may arise directly or indirectly from use of information in this video. Trading foreign exchange, cryptocurrency indexes, stock market, futures, commodity, energy, precious metal, etc. carry a high level of risk, and please trade on your own research and assessment. Please seek advice from a professional financial advisor for your trading needs. Hello my friends, welcome to Trading with KS. So today is 27th February. Okay, we are looking into the chart for next week. Trading on the 29th of February. Okay, before we talk about the next week chart, let's take a look at the news, right? The news event for this week, okay, which is already passed. Let's see what happened. Okay, German, okay, Monday, right? German IFO business climate positive. NZD, New Zealand retail sales negative Tuesday. So USD, okay, power testify, and consumer confidence positive. Okay, the power, he talked a bit about he will be supporting the US economy, right? He said the economy will not be recovering so fast, so the Fed will be still continue to support the economy, right? Means printing more money, buying up the bonds, all those, right? So the stock market is still bullish on Tuesday. So Wednesday, there's no change on Australia policy. Okay, so remain strong. So power will continue to testify on Wednesday. So on Thursday, so the New Zealand governor speaks. So there's not much changes, right? Not much changes because they kept the policy, they kept the rate. So USD GDP, okay, on Thursday drop. They expect 4.2, but drop to 4.1, but it's still better than okay previous quarter 4.0, right? So still better. So on Friday, okay, CSF Swiss franc barometer, okay, positive, and the Chicago PMI is down. It's 59.5. Okay, but we still see a bullish on end of the week for USD due to the drop on the stock market. Okay, later I show you that. So let's see what's coming. Okay, what's an important thing that we need to look, important news we need to look for. We need to be careful for next week. So the first thing we have to see, China on Sunday, manufacturing PMI. So manufacturing PMI is important, okay, for those countries that export to China, right? The purchasing, okay. So the more material they purchase, so better for the exporter to China, right? So but they expect a drop on the manufacturing, okay, previous 51.3, now it's 51.1, okay. So all these be careful, okay. China drop, manufacturing drop, import drop, means Aussie and New Zealand, okay, could have a impact, okay. So Great Britain manufacturing PMI, they expect similar result on Monday. CAD manufacturing PMI 54.4 previously. USD manufacturing PMI, they expect the same result 58.7. So Monday, okay, we have to watch out for this news. Tuesday, there will be President Lagarde, ECB President Lagarde speaks. Then, Tuesday is the Aussie cash rate. So be careful. So they expect to keep the rate. Okay, the cash rate of 0.10. Okay, any changes to the cash rate will be big impact on the AUD. So be careful Tuesday for AUD. So also the Wednesday we have AUD GDP, Australia GDP. They expect a drop. So Wednesday will be a budget release. Okay, so be careful on Wednesday. Australia dollar and pound. Be careful. Okay, there'll be a budget release on pound. So also USD. Okay, non-farm employment change. They expect a drop. Services PMI for USD. They also expect the same result. And crude oil inventory. Okay, so be careful on Wednesday. Okay, for Aussie, pound, and USD. Okay, this one be careful. There could be a big volatility for this pair, for this currency. Thursday we have pound, MPC member speaks, New Zealand governor speaks. So they again have OPEC meeting. So OPEC meeting we have to see. Okay, what other announcement on the oil? Okay, so this will impact the oil. So announcement on oil will impact mostly. Okay, Canadian dollar, right? So Friday there will be Powell speaks again. Okay, USD our earning rate they expect to be the same. Okay, on Friday non-farm employment change. Okay, improvement 133k. So unemployment rate they expect a slightly increase. Okay, 6.3 to 6.4, and also 11 o'clock is the Canada PMI. Okay, Purchasing Manager Index. They expect a improvement. Okay, so this one on Friday be careful on the USD and CAD. Okay. So let's look at the chart. Okay, EURUSD, we expect it to go to R1 1.2170, right? So the price did hit R1 1.2170, our target. Okay, so the price actually continued to went up but being pressed down, right, to a pin bar. Okay, now the price has already dropped one big candle, one big drop on Friday. Okay, one big drop on Friday. We can see, we can check this mainly due to this. Okay, the US index starting to break out from the support resistance area. Okay, so you see the US index is a support resistance line, right? So it broke out from the support resistance line. Okay, on Thursday. So this is a very these are not to say very bad, but this negative. Okay, negative sentiment for the US indexes, US stock market. Okay, so this could be a risk-off scenario. Okay, in a risk-off scenario, USD will gain strength, right? People will go to the safe haven. So this one also, you see the Dow Jones also dropped, but not as much as the Nasdaq. Okay, so it's also dropped near to the support resistance area, and the S&P also, you see, dropped on Thursday. Okay, but it's still not severe compared to the Nasdaq. Okay, Nasdaq has a big drop, which already broken the supporting trend line, right? Okay, so this one we have to see S1 1.2061 what happened. Okay, so we are looking to buy because this is still an uptrend. Okay, and it's still, you see, it's still hold the support resistance trend line right here. Okay, so if the price rate can bounce up here at S1 1.2061, okay, we are looking for opportunity to buy. If the price continue to go down to S2 1.2012, okay, opportunity to buy. Okay, or the price comes back to test this very important support resistance line 1.1933. Okay, if the bounce here, we continue to buy. Okay, the price might continue to go down also, but as I said, okay, I don't trade against the trend, so I will wait for buy opportunity, wait for rebound, right? Okay, this one, pound USD similar. Okay, big drop, continue a pin bar. Okay, similar a pin bar. Okay, a rejection of price to go higher, a pin bar on the pound USD, Euro USD, a pin bar. Okay, price did hit our target R2. The price continued to hit all our target R1 1.3991, also hit our target at R2 1.4233. Okay, now the price has been pushed down, so it really went past the first support. Okay, resistance becomes support, so it become already, okay, price, okay, comes up, this is resistance, right? Broken becomes support, right? But it did not hold, it did not hold, so it broke through the support, okay. So we will look for the next, okay, the next support area will be S1 1.3763 or 1.3696, okay. So we will expect a rebound from here and here, or possible to S3 1.3591, okay. So we look for buy the, okay, the rebound, okay. So possible, right? Price will still continue, okay. Price does not go in a straight line, right? Does not go in a straight line, as I said many times. So possible price next week might come back and retest the R1 1.3991 before it continue to go down, okay. This is for aggressive trader who do trade counter trend, okay. We don't trade, okay. For aggressive trader, if you want to sell, right, sell the pound USD, watch out for a, okay, retest, okay. Watch out for a retest before the price will continue to go down. USD JPY, okay, broke our support resistance area, R1 1.6.17, okay. So this one, so the price, if the price continue to come down, okay, retest the 1.0617 and rebound, okay, possible we must sell, okay. We must start to sell this, buy this pair, okay, because the price already past the 50% and past the 200 moving average, right? So it's making higher high, higher high, higher high, higher high. So this one possible we will start to buy, okay. If we bounce from here, we will buy until 106.89, okay. 106.17 to 106.89, okay. So if the price come back and retest, right, okay, if the price reverse back, so this could be a false break. If the price reverse back above below 106.17, then we continue to sell, okay. So we have to see what happens next week. AUD USD, another big drop, very big drop, okay. So the price burst to all the supporting line, okay, all the supporting line. So our next supporting line will be here. Okay, this is important, okay. Support become resistant, right? Okay. So there's two support resistance line that is confluence. One is this support resistance line, okay. This support resistance line, and the second you see is the cross of these two support resistance lines. So the price come to here, we will have a very strong, okay, support. Okay, very strong support at S1, okay, which is the, okay, resistance, okay, resistance broken, now come back become support, okay. Resistance, this line, resistance broken, now come back become support, okay. So we want to see whether the price can actually bounce from S1 0.7648, okay. You can bounce from 0.7648. So this opportunity to buy, okay. If it can break through, okay, we will look at the S2 0.7523 to buy, okay. So for anyone who plan to short, okay, wait for a retest of R1 0.7813, okay. A rejection from this area, only want to short. But generally we don't short here, okay. So I rarely give a signal to trade counter trend, okay. So this is a New Zealand dollar also breakthrough, right? Breakthrough this area, okay. The price continue to go up. Now the price has came down to test this area, the breakout area, right? The breakout, after a breakout is always a support, okay? A support resistance area, okay? After a long time consolidation, the price broke out and come back, okay? Most of the time, okay, many time, right, it will come back and retest, okay? Sometimes it won't, sometimes yes, it will come back to retest. So it did come back to retest the breakout area 0.7233, okay? If the price actually can bounce it at this area, possible to buy, okay. If the price does not bounce, it continue to go down, then we'll look at S1 0.7179, okay.
If still the price still continue go down, you look for this previous, okay, bottom of this range, right? So for a bounce, okay, for a bounce to buy, okay. So this is a 0.797194. So we look at USD Cad. Okay, USD Cad similar. The price goes back now. We're testing the okay 1.2737, which is the broke of the range. Okay, broke of this consolidation. The breakout now it's come back to test. Okay, 1.2737. Okay, if it can, if it got rejected, okay, possibility to sell. If it goes through, we look at R1 1.2816 will be our opportunity to sell. Okay, if we still can break through, then we look at R2 1.2933. Okay, and somewhere this area, okay, the bottom of this consolidation area, which is 1.2878. Okay, 1.2878. 1.2878 and 1.2933. Okay, we look for these two areas for support. Sorry, for resistance. Okay, here, here, or here. Okay. So last we look at gold. Okay, gold another. Okay, gold has broken. Okay, this support resistance area. Okay, as we said. Okay, we look at this candle. If it breaks out, we look at target 1850. If the price U-turn, we look at 1765. So we already reached 1765. Already broke two. Now heading to S2 1697. Okay, so this one we will look for a retracement. Okay, back to maybe S1 1765 before we before there is opportunity to sell. Okay, we wait for a rejection, we wait for a retracement, rejection, and sell. Okay, so this is our forecast for the Forex. Let's quickly take a look at the cryptocurrency. So Bitcoin price is holding around 45,000. Okay, but there's a risk. As I said, the market is too optimistic. There's too many news on Bitcoin. Okay, normally these are the time that people become very greedy. Okay, when there's a lot of greed, the market normally will turn around. Okay, that's why when people, when there's a lot of news in the media, right, people think, oh, it's a time to buy, right? People see a lot of news, a lot of optimism in the market. So market is always controlled, okay, by certain people. Okay, so when people are greedy, people start to buy, everyone try to buy in, then there's a market for people to short. Okay, so they want to take the money for all these people that actually who jump into the bandwagon without knowing anything, right? So you see, okay, I really said this is very, okay, buying this area is dangerous. Okay, we buy at this deep area. Okay, this deep area, this was the area that I start to talk about Bitcoin. Okay, so this one, right, you see it keep on breaking down all the support area, right? So most likely it will come back to test the 42,000. Okay, if we see a bounce on 42,000, okay, which is the bottom of this channel, okay, possible opportunity to buy or add. Okay, if we continue to break down, okay, we'll come back to our previous level, 32,000, 32,000 area. If it bounce, right, opportunity to buy. Okay, so this one you see here already highlighted, right? They are starting to making lower, okay, lower high. So RSI is making lower high, right? So it's a divergence. Okay, so this one certain time, right, on this type of growth, right, and the other side moving down, right, okay, it's deemed to have a correction, means come down, okay, and another pushback up, okay. So this one you have to wait for the correction. Now it's already, I think it's a time the crypto is having a lot of correction. So this one wait for the price to correct, finish the correction, rebound, then only buy. Ethereum even more severe. Okay, Ethereum drop out of this channel, right? Drop out of the channel. This area, right? I was talking about this area, right? This area where I started to talk and I talk about opportunity to buy. Okay, so this area I talk about, this is very risky area. Okay, I don't recommend. Okay, I recommend here, right? I would buy on the bottom of the channel. So I would buy on the bottom of the channel. If okay, the price got rebound, so there's no rebound. So the price will come back to 14,000. Okay, near to 14,000. So now we want to wait for a finish the correction, wait for a rebound. Okay, at 14,000 or 12,000, okay, or 11,000 area, then only possibility to buy. Okay, this one I really caution. Okay, this is very dangerous. Okay, buying at this side of time where everybody optimistic. You know, even uh, the the taxi driver also, they are optimistic, right? They want to join the bandwagon, you know, all these things. I'm not saying, okay, taxi driver don't know everything. Okay, means everyone also, okay, the salesman also want to join, right? All these things, right? Okay. So everyone also want to join, means general public, everyone want to jump in the bandwagon. So this is very important. So they don't know what is happening, okay, to the market. Okay, so these are the time where people will take opportunity from all these people, right? Will take opportunity, okay, from towards all these people who don't know what they are doing. Okay, they go and buy at the top. Everyone want to buy at the top. So you see the market will come down. Okay, to take so market will punish and take the money from all these people, okay, who buy at the top. Then they are very fearful when the price suddenly come down, right? Everyone start to panic and start to sell. That's why, okay, all the market, they manipulate and they will take the money from all these people here, okay, from the people who buy at the top, right? This is the top of the channel, okay, who buy here, right? Okay, so for us, okay, we always buy, okay, at the bottom, okay, at the bottom of the channel here, right? At the possible the opportunity to buy, okay, is when I start to talk about the crypto. Okay, so we don't buy here. Okay, very dangerous. So the price will really show, the market will show again. Okay, don't be greedy, right? Don't be greedy when the market is flying. Don't chase, right? Okay, so Litecoin similar thing, right? It's Litecoin similar to Bitcoin. You see what happened to Bitcoin? Okay, will be similar to Litecoin, but Litecoin the correction is bigger because, as I said, these are smaller coin base, less supported, so the movement is bigger, means more volatile, right? So it actually went back quite a lot. Okay, to one drop back to around the 150.76, but still not a big drop. Okay, because we talked about Litecoin at this area, right, at 130, 120. I think I talked about it at around 120. Okay, so the price is come back around 50%. Okay, around 50% of the 50% retracement. Okay, so we wait for a correction to finish. Okay, a bounce, then possible to buy or possible to add, right? Okay, so we take a quick look. Cardano. Cardano is so optimized. People are very optimistic in Cardano. Very optimistic. Okay, so Cardano did not actually have a drop. Cardano continued to go up. Okay, Cardano continued to go up. So this one, too late to chase. Okay, as I said, too late to chase. We want to buy at the drop over here. Okay, at the 93 cent. Now it's too late to chase. Wait for a correction, then only buy. Okay, so there's a video for today. Remember to like and share my video, right? Like and share it with your friends. This channel is haven't really gained a lot of traction lately. Okay, so help me to share this with your friend. Okay. Also remember to hit the like button for me and also comment if you have anything, okay, to add in to the video. Okay, so see you again. Thank you for watching. Stay safe from COVID. Bye bye.